Hello, I think it's fascinating to discuss our countries and languages. India is known for its incredible linguistic diversity, with hundreds of languages spoken across the country. Hindi and English are two official languages at the national level, but we also have 21 other officially recognized languages. Each state in India has its own regional language as well. Absolutely, Pakistan also has a rich linguistic heritage. Urdu is our national language and is widely spoken. But we have several regional languages like Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, and others. Language plays a vital role in preserving our culture and identity. That's true. Language is deeply connected to our cultural heritage. It helps us express our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. In India, we often use regional languages to connect with our roots and communities. However, English also holds a significant importance in our country. I agree, English has gained prominence in both our countries as a result of historical factors. In Pakistan, English serves as a lingua franca, facilitating communication between people from diverse linguistic backgrounds. It is widely used in education, government, business, and the media. Similarly, in India, English is considered a bridge language that connects people from different states and language groups. It plays a crucial role in higher education, professional settings, and global interactions. Many prestigious universities and institutes in India conduct their courses in English. English proficiency is often seen as a valuable skill in both our countries. It opens up opportunities for better employment prospects, especially in multinational companies and the IT industry. Fluency in English is also beneficial for students who aspire to study abroad. Yes, and it's not just about economic advantages. English enables us to access a vast amount of knowledge and resources available in the language. It broadens our horizon, allows us to connect with people from different parts of the world, and facilitates cultural exchange. Absolutely. However, we should also recognize the importance of preserving and promoting our indigenous languages. While English is valuable, we must not neglect our mother tongues and regional languages as they are integral to our heritage. I completely agree. Our native languages are a source of pride and should be nurtured. Efforts should be made to ensure their preservation and encourage their use in various domains such as education, literature, and media. It's wonderful to see that we share similar perspective on the significance of language and the role of English in our countries. Both English and our native languages contribute to the fabric of our societies, and finding a balance between them is crucial for our cultural and linguistic diversity.